Do you struggle with keeping your home office space organized? Well, you're in luck because today we are going to talk about the 6 tips to make the most of your home office here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And home office spaces is one of my most requested organizing jobs. I've seen quite a few of them in my day. Having a home office or a designated work zone in your home is a valuable tool, but only if you can access what you need when you need it and complete your projects on time. So let's dive in with step 1. You want to choose your space wisely. Think about what you need to accomplish at work and the best place to spend time doing that work at home. Seeing clients in your home office can also influence where you decide to locate your home office. A basement office won't work if it's damp or dark. A living room office isn't constructive if you need a quiet workspace, but the kids need a place to watch TV. Once you've figured out where you're going to set up your home office, step 2 is to define your work area. If you're sharing your office space with a family living space, be creative. Do you need a large desk? Or can you store your office supplies inside a closet or an armoire until needed? Or can you store your entire office inside a closet, as seen in the picture here on the left? Instead of a metal filing cabinet, consider a rolling file cabinet that can be put away when it's not in use. And use a screen or a bookcase or other furniture to make a boundary for your part of the room. Now that you have your space, determine your work hours and post these hours so that everyone else in your home knows when you need privacy. Dress for work each day and go to work and stay there for your predetermined office hours. It's a lot easier to feel and be productive if you have the right attire. Before establishing your space, consult your financial advisor about the potential tax advantages of having a home office. The law is detailed, but a deduction might be worth the effort. Step 3 is to maximize your workspace. Think vertically and install shelves for extra storage. You could save valuable desk space by mounting your keyboard under your desk. Store supplies in clear plastic labeled bins and store extra supplies in a nearby closet. Choose furniture that's practical as well as comfortable. Make sure you have plenty of light. Check your wiring. Add surge protectors and outlets to handle all the necessary electronic equipment. Group like items together and store items where you use them. Keep the items that you use the most the closest to where you're sitting. 4, avoid paperwork pitfalls. It's hard to work effectively and efficiently if you're drowning in your paperwork. Any paper that you choose to keep needs to be stored in a designated home. But a word of warning, studies have shown that 80% of what we file is never looked at again. So think carefully before you decide to keep a piece of paper. Ask yourself, do I need this? Could I access it online instead? And what's the worst thing that would happen if I didn't keep this piece of paper? Once you recycle what you don't need, create a filing system to give all your papers a proper home. Step 5 is to organize your time. Select a planner Whether it's paper or electronic, whichever you like best, there is no right or wrong answer to this question. I like to think of myself as very hip and happening when it comes to electronic gadgets, but I still swear by a paper planner. So go with what makes sense to you and use that planner to record your meetings, your deadlines, contact information, and other things. Using a planner every day will prevent cluttering up your desk with post-it notes, little scrap pieces of paper, and scattered business cards. Break your long-range projects into several pieces. To avoid procrastination and unwanted stress, start each project by listing all the steps that need to occur from start to finish. Assign an amount of time to each step and then write those deadlines into your planner. Suppose you're planning a bake sale for February. In that case, your planner might have some of these deadlines. Reserve location space in October. Call volunteers in November. Make flyers in December. Send out the flyers in January. And send out thank you notes in February. Step 6. Now that you've organized your office, let's work on how to maintain it. To keep your office in tip-top space, spend 15 minutes at the end of each day putting things away so that you have a fresh start the next working day. Weekly meeting with yourself. That's right. Review what needs to be accomplished in the coming week and update your planner. Go through your files quarterly or at least once a year to review contents and purge old or outdated material. Remove outdated or obsolete materials and equipment and replace them with more efficient equipment that takes up less space. And remember, as you upgrade your computer systems, sell or donate your outdated hardware and software. I hope this video has helped inspire you to help get your home office space organized. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go, so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.